How do I open it?
I'm not sure.
That is so cute.
You got it. You did not?
What's happening?
I can't believe that must be a fake one.
Oh, yeah, it is. It's not real.
I don't know.
Get it, Nick. Get it, Nick. Get it.
Oh, it's just a paper one then?
Actually,
Not real?
me and yeah.
Ooh, it's coming. Wow. Cool.
Listen, here's the deal. Mommy didn't know that you were getting that until last night.
She gives him?
So listen, you do not have a case or screens for it. This is a very expensive piece of equipment, and you're not going to be able to play with it.
Is it fake?
You listen to
It's
mommy.
real. Listen, that's just the cover on it. That's just the thing that you're going to take off, right?
Yep.
But we're not taking it off now, because here's the deal.